Hi guys, this is a day 2 in which we learn more about Python. This is a topic Python variable and data types. In this class I will share just outline and different topic related to variable and related to data types I will discuss in the day 2. So in the day 2 we learn different topic about variable inside variable. First of all we will discuss about what is basically variables, undefined variable, different types of variable, what is declaration and initialization, and also you will learn different rules to declare a variable. So these are different topics that will be covered in the day 2. This is the first section of this day. Next section is of data types. In the data types section you will learn about basic of data type, and then what is mutable and immutable type of data, sequence and non-sequence data type, Python data types, different categories, for example text-based, numeric or numbered data types, sequence data types, mapping data type, set data type, boolean data type. So these are different categories I will discuss with you in the day 2. Just these are outline that will covered in the day 2.